In this video, I'm going to show you how to add slow motion in CapCut. So if you want to create smooth slow motion effects and make your videos look more professional, then this tutorial will show you exactly how to do it. First, open CapCut and load the project that contains the video you want to edit. Once your video is on the timeline, click on the clip that you want to slow down. This will open the editing options for that clip. Now look for the speed option and click on it. You'll see different speed controls that allow you to adjust how fast or slow your video plays. To create a slow motion effect, simply drag the speed slider to a value lower than 1x. For example, you can set it to 0.5x to make the video play at half speed. As you lower the speed, the clip will become longer on the timeline because it's playing more slowly. If your version of CapCut includes smooth slow motion options, you can enable them to make the effect look more natural and reduce choppiness in the footage. Once you're happy with the speed, play the video back to preview the effect and make any adjustments if needed. And that's how you can add slow motion in CapCut. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials and editing tips.